In this video, I'm going to show you the Control-matic SmarterSpa Saltwater Chlorine Generator. And this is a chlorine generator for your hot tub or spa. And in the box is this card, and you would scan it with your phone and you can download the product manual. So I have the product manual here, and it's very easy to follow. And I'll show you this installed and operating later in the video. And included is a control box, and this can be mounted to the side of your spa with these included screws. And the control box will indicate the salt level of the spa, high, okay, or low. There are also 10 levels of chlorine output that you can set using this control box. And this is the electrode that will sit in the spa, and this will produce the chlorine or bromine. And the electrode is rated to last for 7,000 hours of production. Also included are these salt test strips to check the salinity level of the spa. You also have these test strips to test the chlorine level, pH, alkalinity, and total hardness. And a SmarterSpa simply plugs in to a 110 volt outlet, and it comes with 15 feet of cord. And the SmarterSpa is the only salt system that has a built-in chlorine sensor in the cell. And this unit also uses very little salt to operate. If you're going to use chlorine in your spa, you would just need 1500 to 2000 parts per million of salt in your spa, or sodium chloride. And if you wanted to use bromine as your primary sanitizer, you would just need 2500 to 3000 parts of sodium bromide in your spa. And it's recommended that you drain your spa and start over with fresh water. Once you balance the chemistry and also add the salt, if you're going with chlorine, to the proper level, then you can go ahead and activate the SmarterSpa. Again, you can either use chlorine or bromine, depending on what you add to your spa to activate the electrode, either sodium chloride or pool salt for chlorine, or sodium bromide for bromine for your spa. And the test strip is indicating that the water here is within range for proper operation. So I have a digital salinity tester here, and it's showing 1670 parts per million. And again, the salt level for chlorine is 1500 to 2000 parts per million. I'm going to go ahead and place the electrode in the spa. And I have the control box mounted here on the patio out of direct sunlight. Okay, let me go ahead and plug in the SmarterSpa unit. So the output is set at level 3 from the factory. I'm going to go ahead and raise it up to level 5 based on the size of the spa. You can see here that it flashed 3 times. And so to do this, you want to hold both the up and down arrow key together. And now the output is set to 5. So I have the SmarterSpa running at level 5, and you can see that the salt level is fine here. And you can see here that the electrode is producing chlorine. You can see the bubbles, and you can also see the gas coming out of the electrode. So the SmarterSpa actually works really well. And again, it has a chlorine sensor, so it'll turn itself off when it detects the proper chlorine level, and then it'll also turn itself on when it needs to add chlorine. So that's a look at the SmarterSpa. This is a great way to convert your spa to a salt system without any replumbing. It's something that's really easy to do, and I definitely recommend converting your spa to salt to make chlorinating easy. And again, you can also use bromine in here by adding sodium bromide instead of salt. Leslie's Pool Supplies has been do-it-yourselfers and pool trade professionals' trusted partner since 1963, providing quality products and services to make pool care easy and solutions and expertise to do it right.